mushroom. Hi people! So today we're gonna take you guys to our journey on making the tastiest creamy mushroom.
First thing first, we have to get our ingredients. So we decided to go to the grocery store near my home.
Yeah, so here's the clip. So yeah, after we get all of the ingredients, we went home and started making the dish.
The ingredients are champignon mushroom,
Onion and garlic,
butter,
cream cheese,
cooking cream,
smoked beef,
salt and pepper.
and the most important thing is oregano.
So let's get into the tutorial.
Yay!
First, you have to prepare all of your ingredients.
Yeah, and after that, you have to slice your smoked beef, mince the garlic, and cut your onion into a smaller pieces. And don't forget the mushroom too. And at that time, we cut our mushroom to 4 pieces.
After that, heat the pan and melt the butter. After that, add the garlic, onion, smoked beef, and the mushroom. Stir it occasionally and wait until it's tender and golden brown.
And after that, add the cooking cream and cream cheese, stir it and season it with salt and pepper. And also oregano.
Don't forget the oregano because it gives the Italian taste too.
Yes. Yeah. And bring it to boil and wait until it's slightly reduced and thickened. After that, the creamy mushroom is ready to serve. Yay! It tastes really creamy and delicious. It's our first attempt on making it, but we nailed it.
Because it's actually a quite simple recipe for beginners, so you can do it better than us.
Yeah, you have to try.
If you don't believe that our dishes is that good, you must see the cook after this. So yeah, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy.
And don't forget to like.
Comment and subscribe to Achdi Merdianto's YouTube channel.
And if you try our recipe, please let us know.
See you later. Bye bye.